This ring is a golden circlet, and from time immemorial, has been a symbol of wedded love, made of purest gold to symbolize pure love. It is one unbroken circle symbolizing unending love. May it ever be to you a token of endless love.
To have you, hold you, love you, and honor you. To be your loving and faithful wife. To be true and loyal to you in every condition of life. I do promise to keep myself unto you and unto you only. All of this I faithfully promise.